Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this journey together. I believe that a tidy home can spark so much joy, and I'm so happy to share my passion for organization with you. A well-organized space can transform not just your home, but your entire outlook on life. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and feel at peace. For this video, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of minimalism. Minimalism is more than just a design trend. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to greater clarity and happiness. By focusing on what truly matters, we can eliminate the excess and make room for the things that bring us genuine joy. Minimalism isn't about bare spaces. It's about surrounding yourself with things that truly bring you joy. It's about intentional living and making conscious choices about what we allow into our lives. Every item in a minimalist home has a purpose and a place, contributing to a sense of calm and order. We'll be diving into 10 of my tips that I hope will help you on your journey to a more mindful and joyful life. These tips are designed to be practical and easy to implement, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your minimalist lifestyle. From decluttering techniques to mindful purchasing habits, we'll cover it all. Remember, the goal is to create a space that sparks joy and reflects who you are. Let's begin. By the end of this video, I hope you'll feel inspired and equipped to start your own minimalist journey. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the beautiful world of minimalism together. The KonMari Method trademark is about surrounding yourself with what brings you joy. It's a philosophy that encourages mindfulness and intentionality in our relationship with our possessions. By focusing on joy, we can transform our living spaces into sanctuaries of happiness and peace. It's not just about discarding, but about consciously choosing what to keep in your life. This method teaches us to appreciate the items we own and to make thoughtful decisions about what we allow into our homes. It's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. We make these choices based on a simple question: does it spark joy? This question helps us to connect with our true feelings and to understand what truly matters to us. It's a powerful tool for creating a life filled with happiness and contentment. Hold the item in your hands and pay attention to how it makes you feel. This tactile experience is crucial in the KonMari Method trademark. It allows us to engage with our possessions on a deeper level and to make more meaningful decisions about what to keep. If it sparks joy, keep it. This simple yet profound principle can transform our homes and our lives. By surrounding ourselves with items that bring us joy, we create an environment that supports our well-being and happiness. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. This act of gratitude is a key component of the KonMari Method trademark. It helps us to let go of items with a sense of appreciation and closure, making the process of decluttering more positive and respectful. This method isn't just about tidying, it's about cultivating gratitude for the things that have served us. It's about recognizing the value that each item has brought to our lives and honoring that contribution before letting it go. Remember, the goal is to create a space that reflects your values and brings you peace. A well-organized home is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it also promotes a sense of calm and well-being. By following the KonMari Method trademark, we can create a living environment that truly supports our lifestyle and aspirations. Before we begin tidying, let's take a moment to envision your ideal lifestyle. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in your dream home. What does it look like? How does it feel? Visualizing your ideal space can provide clarity and motivation as you begin your tidying journey. It helps you define what truly matters to you and guides your decisions about what to keep and what to let go of. Remember, your space should be a reflection of your aspirations and bring you a sense of peace. At the heart of the KonMari Method trademark lies the principle of spark joy. This involves holding each item in your hand and asking yourself, does this spark joy? Pay attention to how your body responds. Do you feel a sense of lightness or excitement, or does it weigh you down? Trust your intuition. If it doesn't spark joy, it's time to let it go with gratitude. Remember, surrounding yourself with things that spark joy can have a profound impact on your well-being. Instead of tidying by room or location, the KonMari Method trademark encourages tidying by category. Start with clothes, then move on to books, papers, miscellaneous items, and finally, sentimental items. This approach allows you to see how much you have in each category and make more informed decisions about what to keep. It also prevents you from feeling overwhelmed, as you're focusing on one type of item at a time. Before we start organizing, it's crucial to complete the discarding process. This means going through each category and deciding what sparks joy and what doesn't. By removing what no longer serves us, we create space for the things that truly matter. This process can be liberating, as it allows us to let go of the past and embrace the present. Expressing gratitude for our belongings is an integral part of the KonMari Method trademark. Before discarding an item, take a moment to thank it for its service. This practice cultivates mindfulness and appreciation for the things that have been a part of our lives. It also helps us release any guilt or attachment we might feel towards letting go. Remember, everything has a lifespan, and thanking our items allows us to part ways with grace. Folding clothes properly is essential for maximizing space and maintaining a tidy home. The KonMari Method trademark emphasizes folding clothes into compact rectangles that can stand upright in drawers. This method not only saves space, but also makes it easier to see all your clothes at a glance. It transforms your drawers into miniature dressers, bringing a sense of order and calm. Storing items vertically is another key principle of the KonMari Method trademark. Whether it's clothes, books, or kitchen supplies, vertical storage maximizes space and creates a sense of visual order. It also makes it easier to find what you need, as everything is visible and accessible. This method prevents items from getting lost in the back of shelves and drawers, ensuring that everything has its designated place. Sentimental items often hold the most emotional weight, which is why we address them last. By this point, you've honed your ability to identify what sparks joy, making it easier to make decisions about sentimental belongings. Remember to approach these items with care and compassion, keeping only those that evoke positive memories and spark joy. Congratulations, you've completed your tidying festival. Now it's about maintaining this newfound sense of order. Make tidying a part of your daily routine. Put things back in their designated places after use. Regularly declutter and reassess your belongings, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Remember, maintaining a clutter-free space is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. I hope these tips inspire you to embark on your own minimalism journey. Minimalism is not just about having fewer things, it's about making room for what truly matters. By letting go of the excess, you create space for joy, peace, and clarity in your life. Imagine waking up in a home that feels serene and uncluttered, where every item has a purpose and brings you happiness. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about surrounding yourself with the things you cherish most. Minimalism allows you to focus on quality over quantity. It's about curating your life with intention, keeping only those items that add value and meaning. Think of it as a journey towards a more mindful and fulfilling lifestyle. Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process of creating a space that truly sparks joy. Begin with one drawer, one shelf, or one room at a time. Celebrate each small victory and notice how each step brings you closer to a home that reflects your true self. The journey to minimalism is personal and unique to each individual, so take your time and savor the transformation. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on minimalism, organization, and mindful living. By subscribing, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals who are also on their journey to a simpler, more intentional life. Together, we can support and inspire each other to live more mindfully and joyfully. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights and stories can motivate others to start their own minimalism journey. Let's create a space where we can learn from each other and grow together. Your feedback is invaluable, and I look forward to hearing about your progress and any challenges you face along the way. Thank you for joining me today. Your presence and engagement mean the world to me. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to take the first step towards a more organized and joyful life. Remember, every small change you make brings you closer to a home and life filled with joy and purpose. For more inspiration and guidance on the KonMari Method trademark, you can find my books and resources on my website. These resources are designed to help you navigate your minimalism journey with ease and confidence. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your practice, there's something for everyone. Remember, a tidy home is a happy home. A well-organized space not only looks beautiful but also promotes a sense of calm and well-being. When your home is in order, it positively impacts every aspect of your life, from your mental clarity to your relationships. So take the first step today and start creating a home that truly supports and nurtures you.